to my video. Before I start, I'd just like to say a big thank you to all of my subscribers. A couple of days back I passed my 100 subscriber second target I'd set myself, so really appreciate you guys subscribing to my content. I hope you're still enjoying it. I've got quite a few things in the works, so hopefully you'll enjoy the new stuff that I'm making. I am setting up a Facebook page, so you can come and like and follow me on there, so I'll be sharing some various bits and pieces on that. But anyway, let's move on to a review. So today we're going to be reviewing the Eachine ROTG02 mobile phone diversity receiver, or this, as I like to think of it. So diversity receiver, so it's a receiver for your mobile phone, so you can take your mobile phone and you can watch your feed from your FPV drone on it. You in theory can use this to fly your drone, but I certainly wouldn't recommend that because it's not going to have the same refresh rate as your probably your goggles or other bits and pieces, so not useful for that. What it is useful for is recording DVR footage straight to your mobile phone, which is the main reason I've bought it. So what do you get in the box? Well, in the box you get two different types of cable. This one is a micro USB to USB-C cable, which is very, very useful. You get your little receiver, which is very simple. Two buttons, two antennas, two hoddles. You get two fairly crap antennas, but for what I want to use them for, these are probably okay for today. And then you get another cable, which is your USB micro to USB micro cable. I don't need this because my phone is it's a OnePlus 5. Well, sorry, it's OnePlus 5. It has a USB-C connection on it, so that's what I want to use. So let's look in detail at parts of this product. Right, so let's get it together. Fairly simple. You've just got standard types of connections, so you can fit other types of connections to this. I haven't got any to hand, but you could fit a circular polarized or a patch antenna to this if you want to. For today this will be absolutely fine, so just screw those on. Then get your cable of choice. One of the things I found really weird, this obviously is your micro USB cable, but there is another port here. I'm imagining it's to connect something else, but I have literally no idea what it's for. There is no instructions for this product that I can find at the moment, so your guess is as good as mine. If you know what it is, please tell me. But basically, let's carry on. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to plug the USB port into my phone, turn my phone on. There we go. Right, so what you need is an app. So the app I'm going to use for this is the Go FPV app. You can use FPV Viewer. I'm going to use Go FPV because that's the one that I've been using. Now, on a OnePlus 5 phone, you have to turn on what is known as OTG, which is on the go storage. Otherwise, it will not see this receiver. So what you do is you turn on OTG. It should then pick up the device, as you can see there. Then you press Go FPV. You can set it to always. I end up just doing it once, and then magically you start getting some signal. So now let's connect it to something else. Right, so what I'm going to connect it to is my little Acro B, so let's just power that up. And then what we're going to do is scan for the channel. So what we need to do for that is we press this button here and hold it, and it will then scan through the channels. And we wait, and we wait, and we wait. And eventually it will find, there we go, my little Acro B, then it will find the strongest point of that channel. Now what it also shows us in this screen is it shows us the strength on both of those antennas. So it gives us the frequency, it gives us a view of what's on the spectrum, and that gives you all the information you need to have. So that's quite good. That eventually goes away, and then you can then do what you want to do with it. So you can put this into a goggles mode where you can make it look like, so you can put it through Google's goggles. Not really my bag, but you can do it. But what I quite like, and what's important to me, is being able to press record. So I can record this straight onto my phone. Now, the reason I'm using this instead of using my goggles is because, well, these are great goggles. I really like these Skyzone goggles. They are fantastic goggles. But the DVR is a bit... it can be a bit sketchy. I just don't like it that much, and especially in certain light conditions it really struggles to sort of get good quality. So what I've decided to do is use this for my recording. Now, some of the drones I have do not have GoPros on them, so this is the right solution for that. So realistically, once you've done that, you press finish, and then that's now recorded straight onto your phone. So you can share that straight away, immediately, if you want to, and I think it's a really great little product. I've used this in the field, and now I'm going to show you some of the footage of me recording on this. I'd like to also do some comparison stuff.
Right, so let me start with an apology. Some idiot forgot to record these, and I was away with work for a few days, so I didn't get a chance to record this until I got back. So on the left we've got my Skyzone goggles, the DVR from those, and on the right hand side we've got the Eachine ROTG02 FPV Receiver. Overall, my opinion of this is that the right hand side, the ROT, really does have a really good quality for what it's recording. Is a really good quality image. There's no interlacing, it's not got a lot of noise in the recording, and it just seems to offer really quite good quality. The Skyzone just seem to struggle, and I'm not sure whether that's to do with the fact they're using only one channel, but they just don't have the overall recording quality. Now, the Skyzones have got the advantage here. They've got a Triumph antenna with a triple feed patch as well, so it should be a much better quality image, whereas the Eachine is using standard dipoles, so the advantages should be with the Eachine. Now, okay, my head's facing the other way, but really I am just so impressed with the quality of image that's coming out of the Eachine. It's a really good alternative to putting a DVR on goggles if you haven't got a DVR. It means it goes straight onto your phone. Your phone's probably got the storage. You can then put it in the cloud if you want. So overall, I really would recommend the Eachine. It is a fantastic FPV receiver for video. I wouldn't use it for flying, but for recording, it's great. Right, so that's my review of the Eachine ROTG02 FPV receiver. You can pick these up from Banggood. They're about £20 when I was looking around. They might be on a better offer. Really good value. I'll put a link down below, and I will see you all next time.